catch the next Clement Garden here, because we can't play one in a row. We have to play a few of them. Don't it? Let it go.
Problems. Problems.
What the man say?
Problems.
Easy turn and listen to the place.
When you think you are right and everyone is wrong, and you don't even listen to no one, you have a problem. A serious problem. You have a problem. A serious problem. Your friends are always new. Go and get along with you. Simple trip on the bus. End up in a cuss.
Clement Garden, you know, big singer, long time to man doing.
Neighbors claim they're jealous of you.
Anyway, reggae dancehall for there. Big him up, you know, every time.
Can help.
I like the work where I do with the artists them.
A serious problem. You have a problem.
Easy Ninja Ford. Burger Man likewise.
It's time to check yourself. No one else can help. It's all in your hands. Try to understand. If you think you are right and everyone is wrong, and you don't even
What the man has said, Peter Metro?
you have a problem.
All
A
right.
serious problem.
Clement Garden, big up yourself, that tune the name Problem. See? Listen to the selection of tune you must sing. About 15 of them, but we are giving about a show. I want the instrumental. Listen to the instrumental. That's the instrumental. Listen to this now.
Black woman and know what life hurts, and now she a give birth.
Pull it up and play it again, dedicate to all mothers. Remember Mother's Day this coming Sunday. All black woman proud of yourself. Don't feel insecure of your skin color. Touchdown, my selector, nice and easy. Yo, Atta Fire.
Wow.
Read me your name, Atta Fire.
Your man a black woman and shy. Black woman and know what life hurts, and now she a give birth. Black woman on this side, love when she smile, she bring me African child. Black woman on the earth, know what life hurts, and now she a give birth. Black woman on this side, love when she smile, she bring me African child. She work hard to stress and her stress. The 9 months of mama feeling pain. 12 months purpose, 19 something she deliver me. I'm all her name insane. Mama Africa, me call out your name. Black woman and child we proclaim. The conquering lion still a reign. Mama eat him up, yeah she a the aim. Black woman and the earth, know what life hurts, and yeah she a the first. Black woman and the
After me go chill out on a better town base. Under meditation every days. Both Papa Boila when me give Jaja praise. Them can't stop me when me a go about me ways. I don't pan the flat, me check me bridging wind rock.
Pull it up and play it again, man. May I tell you, them truly and them hot like fire. Touchdown, my selector, nice and easy. Fire Town Production.
Sweet reggae music.
What do we say, Firestones record?
After me go chill out on a better town base. Under meditation every month and 3 days. Both Papa Boy.
Strictly roots and culture, listen.
Them can't stop me when me a go about me ways. I don't pan the flat, me check me bridging in right. Him a tell me say people me like me bring joy. He say what a go on, it's not a thing boy. Have you put on a pot of vegetable and soy. So all the youth that know the ghetto when you tell them be the set up and you know them can't neglect you cause a jaja. Tell them say I love you a deal with. And I know yet I know God you a deal with. love me one another, love your sister and your brother and your mother and your father.
Yes, man.
Tell them say I love you, I think.
Out of fire rhythm this name.
I love watch. Oh, what that thing when we circle down my bones.
Give me your next one, Paddy.
This is Eastwood Park Road. Hey. Princess them in spring from Zion, dating Babylonian men. Always in a war.
Remember, people just make a donation at the gate and come in.
Conquer them.
You don't know tonight we have the headline. Michael Palmer, Sammy Dread, whoa.
Them no pick when it new brand. And every night they want a new man. And even sell themselves for a few grand. Oh, la, la, liba, ooh, don't prostitution. Oh, la, liba, ooh, run come a Zion. This is the guy them use and mash up the ayat of them. No love.
Jamaica, big up yourself. Remember, don't double park. We don't want to not with the police them. See? Yo. I just want the park come and them watching the vehicle.
King Alpha him my father them. Omega, she always some under them. The queen, the pope, nah go look after them. Them Messiah and Rastafarian, look after them. Only la, liba, don't prostitution. Only la, liba, run come a Zion. Only la, liba, done with prostitution. Only la, liba, princess said don't riches on earth, cause all riches in Zion. Don't involve in prostitution. This is Eastwood Park Road. Hey. Princess them in spring from Zion, dating Babylon.
Check out them tune up on the internet.
Always in
Only famous a promotion.
and lion we
And
come.
Firestone production.
Them can't down in a prostitution. No love about fashion. Them love it when it new brand. And every night they want a new man. And even sell themselves for a few grand. Oh, la, liba, done in prostitution.
Yo.
La, liba,
Line up some cheer there for me.
run come on.
Honey, you don't know the ends of the last night, the big man there.
And mash up the ayah.
Line up some cheer backstage. Hey!
The ayahs of them. No one the mothers them and the father them. Don't prostitute are your daughter them. Say them to King Alpha him the father them. Omega, she always
Give me something else, man. There. Give me something.
the pope. Now go look after them.
Real as can be.
Backstage house.
Better know this.
Forward some cheers in.
It's going down and down. You make a put your juice in a gun. No. As life goes on and on, you know what's going on. You make a put your juice in a gun. Because I'm on a real that I can feel. Meditate and joke. He will save your soul. Yes, this a man you feel. Real that I can feel. Meditate and joke.
Yes, man.
He will save you.
Them man are telling them I save.
This man will do him miracles, wonders and signs. What more we want to do, sometimes we one day will go down. Even though we breathe, all the rain, maybe sunshine. Maybe music, Trinity, and all mankind. Who is he if he's not God, my Savior divine? We see the truth, you use your knowledge, your sense, and your mind. Give me you to abuse it and tell him left behind. The man run things all the time, I'm sorry, no mind. It's going down and down, you make a put your trust in a God.
Alright, big up the Volcano family. As me telling you, never hear more about already, man. Saying you shall hear more about it. It named the Atta Fire already. But anyway, King Jammins, big up yourself because you're artist this. And you're production this. King Jammins, touchdown, that you Johnny.
I just cannot say what.
Massive, listen to tune and tell me what him say. Him name Danafi. Somebody tell me what him say. Watch out.
You may not be a movie star.
Pull it up, my selector, Dana V, brand new. Jammins production, King Jammins production, Dana V, out of New York.
I just cannot say what.
Stone up, beat up the one last night. Rubber Dubber, beat it up tonight. Hey!
You may not be a movie star. we win.
Yes, man.
Girl, I love you.
Hey, rubber dog.
Every day.
Big up all of the junglers there.
I don't know why.
Hey!
Oh, why? I don't know why.
Let me not tell you, man.
Oh, why? I don't know why.
Donna V, brand new.
Oh, yes. That dress you wear might be too tight. Oh, yes. And folks, they might be saying that you do not look right. But I don't care about you.
Them tune are brand new to people. King Jamin's producer, them Talee. Donna V got the closest thing to Cocoa Tea. So them tune are there road now. You're the boss, you know. Rest in Zion. Yeah. Big up Leo. Michael Palmer. Sammy Dread. Biggest platform in the world. Everybody I watch. What are England Junie? So Mika Bailey. Alright, Cocoa Tea, behave yourself because Donna V we are talking about right now. Jamins, look at that Junior Road, Donna V. Yo! Hey, no boy in Jamaica can't produce like Donna V. Like King Jamin, see?
Now I say he's a president that recognize her.
Hey, pull it up, pull it. Anybody can tell me what him say? Anybody can tell me what Donna V said? Him say, ease up, Nebuchadnezzar, the king of Babylon. I don't know how we matter. Donna V, run that. Yo! King Jamins, are your tune.
It's far too long.
Donna V.
Now I say he's a president that recognize her. He's a party immigrants and living in America. Hey. Now I say he's a president that recognize her. Cause if you don't ease up, you have to nick you with lightning and thunder.
Yeah, man.
Now I'm seeking paradise, no one else but Mr. Party.
Never have to the man.
We black and brown youths won't take places sit down under. No.
Put it up and play it again, dedicate to all of the people in the America. And me telling you something, you know. Sammy Dread come home. Michael Palmer come home. You think any man I run left the sweetness of America and come to Jamaica. Listen to him I say, run it. You have to have the courage.
It's far too long.
Because Nebuchadnezzar going bad with the immigrant there. So listen to this.
Now I say he's a president that recognize her.
President Nebuchadnezzar.
He's a party immigrants and living in America. Hey. Now I say he's a president that recognize her. Cause if you don't ease up, you have to nick you with lightning and thunder. Hey. Now I'm speaking to the guys, no one else but Mr. Party. Oh, we black and brown youths won't take princes sit down under. No, and I will never stop marching for my block.
Remember Sunday, Pegasus Hotel, Mother's Day.
Locked up in jail.
You wrote your mother with a grandmother, mother-in-law, any kind of mother.
I say
stepmother.
He's a president that recognize her.
Alright, Donna V, big tune, to check it out here, just released. Jamin's production. Big up Sammy Dread there in the place, saying, and big up Michael Palmer, touchdown Tristan Palmer as well. Nice and easy. All of the mothers there. All mothers are food time now. mothers, them are full of time now. Hey!
Mama, when I'm there, when I was up on the corner, look a fool for my son and my daughter.
Yo!
I'm a friend, them I set me up to slide.
Ricardo sing.
You like 24 acre shoes and pants, me not have to wear, and the world looks so dark.
Big,
no
hey,
one cares.
pull it up and play it again. That's why I look down and my teacher and say, when God created two first people, don't follow nobody and say God called them Adam and Eve. Is lie. No boy or no girl or no pastor can't show me that in the Bible, but God called them Adam and Eve. God made the two of them and called them Adam. He never say you name Adam and you name Eve. But it's Adam which is the man and him call her Eve. And the word Eve mean before. So that goes to show you say, ladies come before gentlemen in all aspect of life. Women precede men in all aspect of life. But the day before Christmas name, no Christmas Eve. The day before New Year's, no New Year's Eve. So what Eve mean before. Touchdown. Hey! All of the mothers, they big up for themselves. Yo, yo, yo. In any form of creation or continue life, a woman bring forth man.
Mama, when I'm there, when I was up on the corner, look a fool for my son and my daughter.
Yo.
I'm a friend, them I set me up to slide, I'm a warm, my mule and
Let me not tell the man.
shoes and pants.
Hey!
And the world looks so dark.
When I see the whole of jungle turn out tonight. When I see the whole of Tivoli turn out tonight. Yo!
Mama, yeah, please watch over me. Yeah, oh mama, yeah, please watch over me. Yeah, mama, look what I'm come to. Run to the rock and the road.
Oh, you mean?
Mama, look what I'm come.
Ricardo.
Everything you tell me come true. Thank you. Now my children, them proud of me.
Big up my mother, she passed and gone away.
College graduate, so
Yo.
Mama life get nice, you see. And the security forces not
Give me a next mother tune there, yeah, man. Right now the mother segment today, you know. All mothers. Remember Pegasus Hotel, Sunday I come. Hey! Treat mama good. Hey! Let me not tell them all. Pull it up and play it again quick and fast. Treat mama good. I went to them. Yo. Hey. I went to them. Treat mama good. On the 13th of May on Mother's Day. So them trick me and catch me now. Me I wonder how the 10th of May on Mother's Day. So somebody tell me say a tree fall on Sunday. Me say, oh. Yo. Hey, singer. So me are going to Jersey now. Me are going to New Jersey now. Hey, singer Irie. Beat them again.
Mama, you know how much I really love you.
Yeah.
Mama, oh mama,
How you know, say?
I really care.
Me and Dominic have a mama tune, you know.
Life, sure.
And a George Pang produce it. You know that?
Bring me up in this life. Mama, you reach out and give me life. And for that I could never stop loving you. Mama, I love you. I love you, mama. I love you so. Whoa. For the 9 months mama carried me, growing
Jersey, you don't know who this, don't it?
For the night, she stayed up with me. Care,
Baddest thing in New Jersey.
no charge. For her time and her tears, all the cars through the years. Mama said no charge.
Big up lady and I hear say you come home too.
I don't know the real cost of mama love, no charge. I love you, mama.
Yeah.
I love you, mama. I really love you, mama.
Here's a jockey statement and lady and I come home. Hey!
I remember mama and the love that she gave. Kneeling at her bedside, I can still hear mama say, the people are depending on you.
Watching on the people. We are going for a bad artist.
I remember.
Rest in peace, my brother Simeon.
Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Mama, mama. My sweet mama. Daddy was a good old man, but he died since I was one. So he said, "Was my mother and
Pull and play again, man. Yeah, man. And the great Garnet Silk, you know?
oh, mama.
Big up all the mothers there.
Oh, mama, 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 my sweet mama.
Next one, yeah.
Daddy was a good old man, but he died since I was one. So he said, "Was my mother alone with the responsibility in her hand?" She said, "We had to come and send us to school. She brought us to go like fools. And now I've got to give thanks for the good things she has done. Oh, mama, I love you true, and I know you love me too. Oh, mama, mama won't make it.
Enough boy, I respect them mother in a bed, so.
Sweet as you are,
Them
I
diss
know
them
I
mother
know
and
I
cuss
know
out
I'm
them
a
mother.
shining star. Stay by me, never go too far. Oh, mama, you can depend on me now, 'cause I see you've tried your best. Now it's up to me.
Little more enough niceness, stars.
Mama taught us how to pray. Remember you, mama, saying, "Oh, Father, give us this day our daily bread, and all our necessary needs. Oh, child, I beg you, please." No wonder saw mama with a Bible in her hand, reading and praying. She was rolling from her eyes. I asked her and say, "Mama,
What was that?
don't cry."
What was that?
Just remember God is standing by. I said, "Mama, you can depend on me now, 'cause I see you've tried your best. Now it's up to me to do the rest."
You know we can't play one mama song, no? It's when a woman carry a baby in her belly for 9 months. Trust me, a whole heap of things she do. And we have to respect her. Enough boy ill-treat them mother. Me couldn't do that. You mad? Big up all the mothers there. Peter Betcha and Damani.
If I told you to get to here, I'm not leave her at all.
You mad?
Old lady, we love the old lady. Old lady, we love the old lady. Come again. Old lady, we love the old lady. Old lady, we love the old lady. Come now. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me. Born in a labor ward, down at Jubilee. So when they was a kid, when they was a
Hey, pull up. Hey, you know, from when we do that tune here, people, from in the 80s for George Pang, enough time I hear them play them rhythm here, you know. Them are going to play Freddie McGregor and Admiral Bill about 2-year-old, but them don't know, say, Peter Metro and Dominic have a hit tune pan already, man. Run it again, Mr. Selector. Hey!
Where's the mama, boy?
Oh, me okay, back in London,
That's right.
where's your mama?
Why am I gonna leave her told you to get to here? I'm not leave her at all.
You mad?
Old lady, we love the old lady. Old lady, we love the old lady. Come again. Old lady, we love the old lady. Old lady, we love the old lady. Come now. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me. Born in a labor ward, down at Jubilee. So when there was a kid, when there was a baby. used to change my power when you're 30. You send me go to school from the age of 3. You send me primary and secondary. You never have no money for send me university. Anyway, old lady, we love the old lady.
That one a bad metro.
That tune named Kingston. Listen, Rickard.
Hey lady, I want to take you on a magical journey. I'm your client.
When Michael Palmer touched on him, said Jamaica look different.
Let's go.
Hey!
Baby, the vibes is so nice when we touch down in a Kingston.
Hey!
Where I told you you're not lonely and I swear to God that you know.
Pull it up, boy. Sammy Jones said when they go a 3 mile, him a wonder all overhead bridge there 3 mile. He never left it so. Yo! Watch on man. Yeah. What if a development for the past 30 years, you know?
Hey lady, I want to take you on a magical journey. I'm your client, you're my attorney. Hey,
Yeah.
let's go. Watch out now. Baby, the vibes is so nice when we touch down in a Kingston. Where I told you you're dark and lonely and I swear to God that you love me, ma. Baby, the vibes is so nice when we touch down in a Kingston.
Yes, man.
Where I told you you're dark and lonely and I swear to God that you love me, ma. Girl, your love is a blessing, I'm confessing, I've learned my lessons, yes.
Big up all the ones and ones there.
Let them keep on top.
And everybody on the internet where I watch.
So amazing.
Call your friend and tell your friend for putting Music Town Entertainment live on YouTube. Music Town.
Confusing to this beat, reggae music, we keep on grooving, yes, yes. Baby, the vibes is so nice when we touch down in a Kingston. Where I know you're dark and lonely and I swear to God that you love me, man. Baby, the vibes is so nice when we touch down in a Kingston. Where I know you're dark and lonely and I swear to God that you love me, man. I wanna take a love journey. I'm your client, you're my attorney. Love teach much lessons on the fear of us learning.
A youth named Ricardo sing, get used to him.
Love wake us up early. Girl, take my hands and come slowly. Be with you, you will never be lonely. Walk with me on this musical journey. Girl, I'm feeling you, you're feeling me, I believe in you.
Alright, behave yourself, Ricardo sing. As me tell you tonight, people have to big up George Pang, big up the Pulse label, and big up Michael Palmer, cause George Pang record whole heap of song in the 80s. We ask the people listen to that history here. We done a dynamic studio, seeing a George Pang a record with Sly and Robbie. And the Prime Minister walked in at the studio, and the Prime Minister was Edward Seago at the time. And when he walked in at the studio, he said, George Pang, what you doing for yourself now? And George Pang said, Mr. Seago, I just produce some tune, you know. And another time there, when Sly and Robbie are linked the rhythm, a big #1 tune George Pang get out at that time there, when Seago walk in at the studio. You want to hear the tune? Run it. Touchdown.
You live the life you love. You love the life you live. Everything you have in mind, I will give.
Somebody, them tell them I look at you with a right skate all about. No, lemon of Peter mentioned for me. Hear that one. Listen.
No putty there, do a putty there, she say.
Them time you dance nice.
Do a putty there, she say. No putty there, do a putty there, she say. No putty there, let you do a putty there. When they put it on the table, she said do a putty there. When they put it on the buffet, she said do a putty there. When they put it in the closet, she said do a putty there. When they put it on the dresser, she said do a putty there. When they put it on
Them time you make sure I tear down the place. Bad DJ. Impact see when you say pull up. When you say pull up. Can't you hear that? Can't play one time. Have to play a few times. Alright.
Put it here up on the table. Go and take it up, the baby. See her when they go up, baby. She said, no put it there. Do a put it there, she said. No put it there. Make sure do a put it there, she said. No put it there.
Make sure you're sharp like a whistle.
No put it there.
I'll see him here. What the man I say?
When they put it on the table, she said, do a
Because we are foreign one time and show a girl. They are foreign amongst our foreign friend there. I say me a foreign here now. Peter Metro, now you sing the song them. Don't put it there. I say no. The way I do 2 and 3 say the people, man of that me say. Me sing, no put it there. Alright, my selector. Cooler man. Cooler Peter Metro, Sarge Kingston, big up yourself. We are down in Texas, there a long time and didn't play that song here, I have to bounce it for you. Sister Carol, don't worry yourself, you're large.
Peter Metro, Sarge Kingston. Greetings to the world, it's Sarge Kingston.
Yes, Sarge Kingston, large up every time.
You don't know. It's all about respect.
Yes, man. Watching the man.
Me said this, me see a one, yes, the last time me check.
Yeah.
Only for artists, me own.
Big up my virgin Burro Banton.
Yeah, some never.
Sarge Kingston, talk to them.
Me say, have some respect. Dibby DJ, have some respect. Come here, go a dance from tape and cassette. Before in a craft, look out and him a step. Before when a woman, them a wear up by. Before stand up and me say, get him like fit. Before ranking never, me say in the car. Me say, them the time.
Being in a bus, yeah.
Me say, them the time. Hunting a bus, yeah. Me say, have some respect. Me say, have some respect.
True.
Dibby DJ, have some respect. For Josie Whale, no fi have respect. For Daddy Ura, you no fi have respect.
Yes, man.
That's right. Ranking Joe, no fi have respect. For Burro Banton, no
Burro Banton.
respect. For Peter Metro, no fi have
Watch out, might you lip and listen to this, cause this is reggae music. Sarge Kingston and Metro, yes, we have another hit. We have to show respect to the man them we set it. Protect the music across the world and make the whole world love it. But Marley Peter Touch, Bonnie Wheel and Jimmy Cliff, Julie Moit, Rita Marley and Marcia Griffiths, Ken Bootberry, Sam and Luciana, them set it. Peter Metro, Sarge Kingston and Michael Graffit. Creme de la creme, we are the Acropolis. Sarge, your voice is large. All over in Texas, say you are take charge. Them playing at the office and the greasy garage. And in the sun, a club where the girl.
Oh, you mean?
Say Sarge,
Mama Quartz
is large. All over me.
Eva Basil.
You are take charge. So this
Big up Mama Quartz.
me brethren, Sarge, you take charge.
Yeah.
Lord have mercy. I me say this, me see a one, yes, the last time me check. What? Only for artists, me overtake.
Yes, Sarge Kingston.
Yeah, some never respect. Me say have some respect.
What a better.
Some respect.
DB DJ.
Have some respect.
Alright, Sarge Kingston, big up yourself in a Texas. So you man, people who now waste of time can enough tune there. And the artists them a come down a little more, come touch it and things. But us beat out some tune you know, say touchdown.
You know, long we have survived. A whole heap of things we got through, you know. Yeah, man. We like that song until you bed. That one you're bad. Now easy father with it. Big up yourself.
People see that you will fight when you're moving up the line. You're looking for what at the side. You're just to see your life. Look and you know it's so time. You want to look at the chain. It's not a nosy right kind and I'm a survivor. Full of resources, more than MacGyver. Me thirsty and a fish full of me saliva. Women try crash and candy get away driver. Get away driver, get to you be a survivor. Full of resources, more than MacGyver. Me thirsty and a fish full of me saliva. Women try to the candy get
watch a singer area now. Spread some love. Listen to that song.
I never see bad mind get the Grammy or nominate.
Pull up that one, man. Pull up that one. Listen to that song. I bet you. What the man say about that song?
Hold it there, let me tell you something. Hey, you have some little bad-minded artist, boy. Let me tell you this. Now feel like you can't send no tune complain on my segment, you know. Only give me my segment and my segment and my segment. You can play the candy segment with him. This is for audio check 1, 2. But my thing different. You see what I say, so what? Then you with your singer Irish, drop it on them.
No need for bad mind.
Yo. And when me say that, you don't know. We don't want no bad mind boy say no tune come up here. You see me I say candy, we know them.
Grammy or nominate. Only good.
I know found on like Dancehall Thursday, we know them, you know. Hey!
Can we do something new?
We don't mind seat packed down, but me and Candy stand up around this and honey.
What real love can do for me and you. Some love.
Pull it up.
No
a Grammy or nomination.
Yes, ma.
All it costs is envy, grudge and hate. Can we do something new with love that we do?
Singer, I will talk to them, spread some love.
What real love can do for me and you. Spread some love, spread some love. Like a wildfire, like wildfire. Let bygones be bygones, forgive and just move on. I know it's hard, but
Yo. Ian Sweetness. Sweet new tune, get used to that one.
Sweet Jamaica, the place of my birth.
Put it up here, Ian Sweetness. The people in my wait for you, Jamaica, you know. It's like you rise again at Jamaica. Everybody wait for you. It's like how them that wait for Michael Palmer and Sammy J, that them fly in your time now. Touchdown!
Sweet, this is the one you're born.
And time is spent on this earth. And I'm surrounded by a jealousy. There's vacation, a land of fertility. Sweet Jamaica.
Yes, when the man says sweet Jamaica, when you go down out of the North Coast, watch your eyes on them place there. When you go out on the countryside,
the greatest mountain is mountain, white sand and beach, the sweetest reggae music,
I want that gone. Big up yourself, Ian.
creative people, our craft is so unique.
Yeah, man.
Big up Freddie McGregor, son. Where name again? Stephen McGregor, the genius. Hey!
come on, shelter. We got them use them as them umbrella. Oh, little little, we got them called chatty old man. Whenever get it, I go stand out there and hide in a marony and go. See what when they farm Martha go. Little little, we got them called chatty old man. Whenever get it, I go stand out there and hide in a marony and go.
I said the whole rhythm them back my dancer.
Two live me a umbrella. Every girl I use them, they have them take her. To him and those carrier them just a push him over. Send him all about with them love letter. To him car reading them holla. Oh, they pay never one day to the girl panty.
Watch out now, Metro. Never show your style again. Listen to Burger Man. What the man say, Metro?
Pull up! What I want to name? Woman to man. Yeah, boy, Burger Man, I love it. See?